Okay, very quick instructions on uploading the template for the SOLA from the hard drive. Okay, so I'm doing this in the study centre and it's full of students. So, and I'm not looking at the camera because I can't set up the camera properly. So, first thing is go to Moodle. Hi, you're right there. Start again to start to help a student. So, go to any page that you've got that you don't mind if anything bad happens to it. So I'm just going to use my page just for examples. Okay, so up in your admin box here, you want to go to the restore option. Now, as you can see, we should already have this one in here. Okay, this is our user private backup area, and what we're going to do is going to manage backup files. Okay, I have the hard drive plugged in already. Yeah, so I'm going to go to the folder, which you can't see in this recording. I'm going to go to my folder, open up the hard drive. Then I'm going to look for the SOLA file. It's an MBZ file. It's going to be called, there'll be a SOLA 17, a SOLA 34 and a SOLA 68. Pick the one that you're going to use. Now this isn't going to work correctly because I've already got this one saved, but just for example, then you just drag that across into there. Obviously I've already got this file, so I'm going to cancel it, but in your situation you drag the 17 in, drag the 34 in and drag the 68 in. Okay, and then you just save the changes and Bob's your uncle. You should then have in this area all the different files that you need. Then once you've done that, then you can go and follow the other instructions that we've had, which was, if we go into there, and I think it's into CPD, isn't it? LTLS staff, and then you've got Mrs. V unpacking, I've got my unpacking one, and then that's when you restore your SOLA and you create the SOLA page.